차렷! 경례! In this video, we are going to be learning how to do horse stance and middle punch. This is a foundational thing for Taekwondo. It's going to help you improve your leg strength and your coordination. So let's begin with some basic commands. First, 차렷, feet together, hands at your side. Next, we're going to do 준비. Your left leg is going to step out just about your shoulder distance. Then your hands are going to open, breathe in. When your hands get about to the bottom of your ribs, make a fist, breathe out. Next, we're going to do our horse stance. We call it 주춤서기. So we're going to say 주춤서기 준비. Our left leg is going to step out just a little bit more, and we're going to do a single punch with the left arm. So 주춤서기 준비. So let's do that one more time. 차렷. 준비. Left leg steps out. Breathe in. Breathe out. 주춤서기 준비. Left leg out. Left punch. Good. So for right now, just bring both hands back. I want you to pay attention. Look at your knees. Are they bent? You don't want to be standing up straight. Bend your knees. Also pay attention. Are your knees falling in? If they are, push your knees back out so that your knees are over your ankles. Last thing, both your feet are going to be pointing straight, and you want to make sure that you're not leaning forward, not leaning backward, but your center goes from your head to your hips to your feet. If you do this, your weight's out here. If you do this, your weight's back here, here, right in the middle. So to make your legs strong, every time when you start, if you're a beginner, I want you to do 주춤서기. Put your hands here and then stand up. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good. After you do those 10 squats, just standing like this is going to be good for your legs too. So now we're doing our middle punch. We call it 몸통 지르기. There's a spot on the dobok, which is this uniform, that has a little patch right here. That's about what you want to aim for if you're wearing one. If not, it's basically where your ribs come together. Okay? So we're going to do 10 punches slow and then 10 punches fast. First, just focus, breathe in and breathe out when you punch. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good. Now you might have noticed as I was punching, right at the end, the arm twists. Don't twist here and punch, out, and then twist. And now, when we do our punch this time, our 10 punches, I want you to kiak. Use your energy. Breathe in. Ha! Now, if you're in your house, or you're a little embarrassed to do it in a park or something, that's okay. Still, make a small noise. Ha! 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 Breathe out with your mouth, okay? And breathe using your stomach. Don't breathe using your, don't make the sound using your throat to make a scream. Use this. Ha! Okay? Ready? Left hand out, and we're gonna do 10 punches. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. 바로 bring your feet back. Breathe in, breathe out. 차렷. Okay, so that is 주춤서기, our horse stance, and 몸통 지르기, our middle punch. Practice this a little bit every day. Your legs are going to get stronger, and you're going to feel like your punch is getting better. Thank you.